Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will guide you through a full tutorial on how to make the video you posted not downloadable in X. If you want to restrict others from downloading your video, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. You can find the X app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, try posting a video as you normally would. Select the video you want to share and proceed to the next step. Step 3. While in the process of posting the video, look for the flag icon or a similar option. Tap on it to access additional settings for your video. Step 4. Within the settings menu, you should find an option labeled "Able to be downloaded" or a similar phrase. Disable this option to prevent others from downloading your video. By following these simple steps, you can make the video you posted not downloadable in X and maintain control over your content. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to make the video you posted not downloadable in X. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.